Next topic you have to study is the molecular orbital theory of hydrogen molecule. The hydrogen molecule is described by an equation which considers the motion of two electrons in the field of two fixed protons separated by a distance r. The hydrogen molecule is the simplest example of a diatomic molecule having more than one electron. The Hamiltonian for hydrogen molecule in atomic unit can be written as H cap, that is equal to minus 1 by 2 del 1 square minus 1 by 2 del 2 square minus 1 by r a1 minus 1 by r b1 minus 1 by r a2 minus 1 by r b2 plus 1 by r12 plus 1 by r, where 1 and 2 refers two electrons and HA and HB represent the protons of two hydrogen atoms. Here in this figure, the RA2 represents the distance of electron 2 from the hydrogen atom A. RA1 represents the distance of electron 1 from the hydrogen atom A. RB2 represents the distance of electron 2 from the hydrogen atom B. RB1 represents the distance of the electron 1 from hydrogen atom B. The two hydrogen atoms are separated by a distance capital R, and the two electrons are separated by a distance R12. The Hamiltonian can be rearranged as H cap, that is equal to minus 1 by 2 del 1 square minus 1 by r a1 minus 1 by r b1 plus minus 1 by 2 del 2 square minus 1 by r a2 minus 1 by r b2 plus 1 by r12 plus 1 by r. Therefore, we can write the Hamiltonian operator H cap, that is equal to the Hamiltonian for H1 operator H2 plus 1 by r12 plus 1 by r. Here H cap 1 and H cap 2 are the electronic Hamiltonian for two separate H2 plus systems. In the case of hydrogen molecule, during the electronic motion, the value of r does not change. Therefore, the value of 1 by r does not change. Therefore, the electronic energy can be calculated using the operator H cap, that is equal to H cap 1 plus H cap 2 plus 1 by r12, and then add the internuclear repulsion time 1 by r to it to get the total energy of the hydrogen molecule. The wave function for hydrogen molecule, that is represented by psi or psi12 of the two electron, is a solution of Schrodinger equation, that is H psi12, that is equal to E psi12. The structure of hydrogen molecule can be modeled by adding one electron to H2 plus. Therefore, by using the orbital approximation, the ground state 2 electron wave function psi12 of hydrogen molecule is the product of two 1 electron H2 plus systems, or two H2 plus like wave functions or molecular orbitals of sigma g1 and sigma g2, that is psi12, that is equal to sigma g1 sigma g2. This is analogous to the case of helium atom. In the case of helium atom, psi12, that is equal to 1s1 into 1s2, where 1s1 and 1s2 are hydrogen-like wave functions or atomic orbitals. Therefore, the sigma g1 and sigma g2 are given as sigma g1, that is equal to 1 by root of 2 into 1 plus s into 1s a1 plus 1s b1. Sigma g2, that is equal to 1 by root of 2 into 1 plus s 1s a2 plus 1s b2. In two electron systems, as per Pauli's antisymmetry principle, the product of two wave functions should be antisymmetric. Here the wave function psi12 is not antisymmetric, but this function psi12 can be antisymmetrized by multiplying with the spin combinations, that is alpha beta. Accordingly, psi12 asymmetric, that is psi as12, that is antisymmetric, that is equal to sigma g1 sigma g2 into 1 by root 2 into alpha 1 beta 2 minus alpha 2 beta 1. It can be otherwise written as psi antisymmetric 1 2, that is equal to psi as 1 2, that is equal to 1 by root 2 into sigma g1 sigma bar g2 minus sigma bar g1 sigma g2. Here 1 by root 2 is the normalization factor for the spin function, and sigma g and sigma bar g denote the spin orbitals with the spins alpha and beta. We know that sigma into alpha, that is equal to sigma into beta, that is equal to sigma bar. Therefore, this equation 10, that is psi as12, can be expressed in the form of a determinant, that is psi as12, that is equal to 1 by root 2 determinant of sigma g1 sigma bar g1 sigma g2 sigma bar g2. Here the electrons in hydrogen have the same molecular orbital. There are two electrons, and these two electrons are in the same molecular orbital sigma g, but they have different spin orbitals alpha and beta. In other words, hydrogen molecule with the configuration sigma g2, here the two electrons have opposite spins, that is alpha and beta, that is spins are paired. The electronic energy of the molecular orbitals of hydrogen atom is obtained from its expectation value, that is mean value or true value. That is the expectation value of energy of the electron, that is equal to E, that is equal to integral of psi as h cap psi as dt. Here the denominator is already normalized because psi as is already normalized. Substituting the value of psi as, that is psi12, that is equal to sigma g1 sigma g2 1 by root 2 into alpha 1 beta 2 minus alpha 2 beta 1, that is equation 9. In the equation 12 we get EE, that is equal to 1 by 2 into integral of sigma g1 sigma g2 into alpha 1 beta 2 minus alpha 2 beta 1 h cap sigma g1 sigma g2 alpha 1 beta 2 minus alpha 2 beta 1 the whole dt. Here the volume element d2, that includes both the spin and space coordinate, that is d2 is the product of dv and ds. Since the Hamiltonian does not operate on spin function, they can be separated. Therefore, E, that is equal to 1 by 2 integral of sigma g1 sigma g2 h cap sigma g1 sigma g2 dv into integral of alpha 1 beta 2 minus alpha 2 beta 1 whole square ds. The value of alpha 1 integral of alpha 1 beta 2 minus alpha 2 beta 1 whole square ds, that is equal to 2, since alpha and beta are orthogonal. Therefore, the electronic energy E, that is equal to 2 by 2 integral of sigma g1 sigma g2 h cap sigma g1 sigma g2 dv, or integral of sigma g1 sigma g2 into h cap 1 plus h cap 2 plus 1 by r2 sigma g1 sigma g2 dv. On expanding this, E, that is equal to integral of sigma g1 sigma g2 h1 plus h2 1 by r12 sigma g1 sigma g2 dv, that is equal to integral of sigma g1 sigma g2 h cap 1 sigma g1 sigma g2, similarly h cap 2 and 1 by r12. Here h cap 1 operate only on the electron 1 and h cap 2 will operate only on electron 2. Therefore, we can write E, that is equal to integral of sigma g1 h cap sigma g1 dt into integral of sigma g2 sigma g2 dv2 plus integral of sigma g2 h2 h cap 2 sigma g2 dv2 into integral of sigma g1 d1 plus double integral of sigma g1 square 1 by r12 into sigma g2 square dv1 dv2. That is E that is equal to integral of sigma g1 h cap on sigma g1 d1 plus sigma g2 h cap 2 sigma g2 dv2 plus double integral of sigma g1 square into 1 by r12 sigma g2 square dv1 dv2, since sigma g1 and sigma g2 are already normalized. That is, we can write the total energy E that is equal to EH2 plus EH2 plus J, or E that is equal to EH2 plus J, where J represents the Coulombic repulsion energy between two electronic charges in the molecular orbital. Thus the total energy of hydrogen molecule including the internuclear repulsion time. That is, by adding the internuclear repulsion time 1 by R to the equation 14, we get the total energy E that is equal to EH minus 2 into P plus Q divided by 1 plus S plus 1 by R plus J. If we plot the value of E against R, there is a minimum which lies below 2 EH plus, that is equal to 0. This line indicating the stability of the molecule and the bond formation. This is shown in the figure. The bond formation is because of the increased electron density due to the presence of two electrons in the region between the two nuclei and the overlap of atomic orbitals. The sigma g orbitals has now two electrons with opposite spin. The maximum, however, lies at R is equal to 0.84 angstrom. This corresponds to bond dissociation energy of 2.68 electron volt. However, the experimental values are R experimental that is equal to 0.74 angstrom and the experimental value of dissociation energy D that is equal to 4.75. That is, there is a 56% error in these two values, the values obtained by this method and the experimental values. Obviously, this is clear that there is significant shortcoming in this model. References: Quantum Chemistry, R.K. Prasad, New Age International Private Limited, Introductory Quantum Chemistry, A.K. Chandra, McGrew-Hill, Education, India.